What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Jordan Maxin 200 white, black, and gem red. Okay, without saying anything else, let's take a look at these sneakers and let's see what it looks like. Let me give you a 360 of these kicks real quick. All right, let me show you the bottom. Let's show you the top. Now, if you're familiar, okay, with the Jordan 5 Retro, you understand that these Jordan Maxin 200s were made after the heritage of the Jordan 5 Retros, okay? And I'm talking about the look and the comfortability, all right? Inside these shoes are patterns around the edge of the ankles, okay, where you place your feet into. And I'm talking about unbelievable comfortability. I have worn these kicks right here, and all I have to say is they are very, very, very comfortable. You understand what I'm saying? They're all made of suede, okay? This particular black and gem red is made of suede, all right? So if you don't like suede, I suggest buy the one that's leather, that's made of leather. You understand what I'm saying? Okay? Because sometimes suede is not good in the rain, so you gotta have a way to maintain it. You understand what I'm saying? Let's talk about these bubbles real quick, all right? These bubbles right here, very thick bubbles. They're made for comfortability. Like I said, when I wore these shoes, my experience was that it was so comfortable. It felt good. I actually call it the on-court kicks. I feel like you can wear these shoes on the court, and you can also wear it around casually. And it's a good-looking sneakers. It's a good-looking shoe, and they're Jordans, all right? Let's talk about the soles of these things real quick, right? These are made of rubber, okay? And if you feel it, okay, all around the bottom, these are very hard, very, very hard material, all right? These shoes are well put together. I guarantee you these shoes will probably last you like 1.5 to 2 years and a half, even if you wore it every day, because I feel like they're that strong. They're not gonna get destroyed easily. As you can take a look at that tongue, this part right here is the only part that's made of leather. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom. Jumpman written in the middle, and a Jordan sign right there. Entire bottom made of rubber. Very, very strong material. These kicks right here, they come in different colors, all right? But every one of them is gonna give you the quality, the same quality. They're all built with rubber at the bottom, and these bubbles that give you so much comfort, all right? These go for 120 retail. So if you're gonna buy these, that's how much you gotta pay for them, all right? I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my review and unboxing, okay? And on foot. If you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button, click that like button, click that share button. And if you're already subscribed, click that like button, click that share button. I appreciate everybody here. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.